I'm Dustin with Hardside Hydration. Today I'm going to show you how to clean up your Swig Rig. So first thing to do is disassemble all the components. So you can throw that bottle in the dishwasher or wash it by hand. Move your straw from the cap. You can pull your hose off. Take the little valve out of your cap. Make sure you don't lose that. You can wash these two pieces of the cap in the top rack of your dishwasher. Then we're going to disassemble the hose a little bit in order to clean it. You can leave some of these connections connected because they can be kind of difficult to pull apart. I am going to pull apart the bite valve from the hose. And on the bite valve, you can take the silicone. If you pinch and twist, you can pull out that silicone end from the main body of it, and then it's easy to get in there and get any gunk out or rinse it out if you need to. And it's pretty easy to reassemble. There you go. Moving on to the hose, we'll take a long hose brush here, and you can just take some soapy water and run it all the way through the hose, and just go back and forth and get it all cleaned out, and then make sure you rinse it well with water, get all the soap out of there, and then it's clean and ready to go for next time. Thanks for checking out this video. If you have any questions or comments, reach out to us on Facebook or Instagram at Hardside Hydration, or you can check us out on our website, www.hardsidehydration.com.